Hi. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take this change and go and get me 2 sodas from the what's gonna call the house? The snack house, I guess that's what you wanna call it. So yeah. Should have brought my other little bag, but hey, who wants to carry that? I'm gonna go see if they there. If they is, I'm like, do you have a bag or something? Yeah. I don't know. It's like something I want to tell y'all so bad, but I mean, it's gonna be a little too much to say. Right now, I can't talk about it right now, but when I get around to it, I will. For some reason, it's just ridiculous. Like, I don't get it. Why would you not? Here's the snack house again. So hopefully, hola, dos, coca, sí. Y'all speak a little Spanish, just a little. Oh, look at my hair. It's just flying. Hold on, y'all. Mucho cambio.
No importa.
Okay.
Ok.
Gracias. Okay. I had 5 dimes and 2 quarters, but I got these 2. So yeah, we good, baby. I don't want to go back that way because it kind of stink. I'm going to show y'all this little gas thing I was talking about real quick. I might come back and go this way. You can actually feel it. Wind feel good out here. Now. Y'all, my hair's blowing in the wind. Y'all see, I wouldn't mind, like, having my car parked in here. This Lexus is pretty than the motherfucker, though, y'all. This the little stink-ass gas thing. Y'all hear that hissing? It's this stinky little shit. It be smelling like rotten eggs and shit. Hell, I even take this car just as long as I can get to work back and forth, or hell, even get to my vacation. Yeah, they even took the little damn thing off of there that keeps the door closed. But hey, I ain't even touching my fingerprints on it because I was in there earlier. But other than that, hell no. But yeah, I'm gonna take this in the house and go sip, and then I'm gonna drink some water after. That's what my new little habit gonna be if I have to have a soda. At least I'm gonna drink this until I get my tooth pulled out. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye, guys.